Hello, I'm Ernie Zore.
And I'm Larry Housel.
And in this video, we're going to walk you through the 2025 version of the U.S. gift tax program from Puritas Springs Software. This program prepares the IRS Form 709, which is the United States gift and generation skipping transfer tax return. Now, where do we go from here? Schedule C is the DSUE. I think that's enough that we were going to make a separate video out of that.
We should go over Schedule D.
Schedule D. Let's go to page 1, because I think this might prove to be an interesting point. Gosh, okay, I know how it works. There we go. There's the $67,000. So that's what's left of the 105 after all the annual exclusions are subtracted from it.
Okay.
14,820 is the tax on that 67,000. This is the lifetime exclusion of $13,990,000, and people sometimes say, "Well, why is it $5 million there?" Well, that's reducing it to to the credit amount. When you look at the $5 million, that is the $13 million figure, and you see a balance there.
So if I'm looking at this and you're filling this out for me, I'm saying, well, now this looks like I owe $12,000.
That's right, because the only thing that got wiped out by the lifetime credit was the $14,000 tax. But there's this other tax. The balance due is $12,000. Larry, what the hey? Seriously?
I'm having heart palpitations.
Yeah, no.
I was just trying to give away some money here.
We're just trying to drum up the tension
here.
Get a
little more drama.
Yeah, so where should tell me what to do,
Larry? Well, we're going to have to go to Schedule D.
Okay, D.
Which is specifically for handling generation skipping and or direct skips. And we can figure out how much we want to allocate.
Well, right? Look, Larry, this is what happened when I went to Schedule D. It was already kind of filled out with that with that one amount. The description we can leave blank because it's for e-tip transfers, and we are not going to cover that now either. But the reason that it's got that $12,000 on page 1 that we just left is that we haven't really told it what the non-taxable portion of the transfer was. And so if I put...
You want to put the full amount in there, yep.
There we go. Now I know what I'm doing, Larry. Even though I don't look like it. But now here we go. Okay, we're going to put that... Let's go. You know, if we know what we're doing here, we're going to go to page 1, and it's going to be no tax due. There should be like a drum roll or something here.
Drum roll, please.
Here we go. Bingo!
Well, that's how we do it. Oh yeah, drum roll right there.
Oh yeah, look at that. It was right in the script. And I didn't even read it from there.
All right, so that's the basics of how you fill out the form using our software. And once you get it to the point where you want to have a look at it, what do you do?
Well, you know, that's an interesting thing too. Is that in 2024 they went into this combination of landscape mode and portrait mode, and all the forms are, like I said, what was on one page is spread now across 6 pages, and just remember that's part of the Paperwork Reduction Act. I hate it, because to fit on the screen, let's go back to page 1, or not page 1, but the part 1 of Schedule A. You know, if you looked at the page, and we will in a second here, it's not set up like this. This is more vertical setup, whereas the pages, they made them horizontal, and they're just so wide that it wouldn't fit comfortably on a computer screen. So we opted to do it this way, at least for now. So let's take a look at what these would look like. I'm going to go to the Home tab and click on Print, and I will tell it to print page.
You want Schedule A?
I thought these would be filled out automatically. Maybe not. Okay, let me just print out what we've got.
We should talk to the developer about that.
Yeah, I'm complaining. Well, we didn't use B.
No.
I'll put D in there.
Yeah, we used D. Okay.
Do you see how clean it looks now?
Yeah,
anyway,
it sure does.
Okay, now we're going. This
now
is
we've got
beautiful looking form. I really like the way this looks. I mean, it looks very good. Very professional.
Looks exactly like the forms that you file with the IRS.
Okay, and there, Yep, milli sample. There's our completed one. Okay, this is what I wanted to show, is that if I go to the view menu and I say page width, you see how nice when it prints out. Now those things that were on the screen, now they actually look and make sense. So sometimes if I'm doing a return, I'll actually do a print preview just so I can see what it looks like, because I hate the way it looks with the screens.
Right.
But it looks real good when you do this. And this is takes a second. You just hit on the print preview button.
Yeah,
and done.
you're not actually printing it. You're just looking at it.
Right. So I don't know if there's a point in going through all these empty pages, but there's that page 6.
And this is ready to file. You print this out, and it's
Print
the
it out.
same as having
Good to
the
go.
form.
Yeah.
Yep.
Slap a stamp on it. Put it in an envelope.
That's about it.
Is that it?
Yeah. I mean, you can, if you're done, you can print it. If not,
So-
you keep working on it. So, if it's just a one-time gift, you can use it. If you do them every year, you can use it. Either way, it's a solution for your Form 709 problems. And you don't need to be a gift tax expert, right? There's lots of resources available, including our little handy AI assistant that
Yeah.
we put all the information we can think of into in our videos.
That's very cool. I think that pretty much concludes the gift tax video. We want to thank you for watching. Also, to click the like button.
Oh, absolutely. Very important to like and to subscribe. We want more people to see these videos when we release them. We want you to get notified, so we got new stuff out there.
And if you don't subscribe, hit the like button anyway, because I think it supports us in the algorithm. I don't know if we're getting money from it or anything. You got to have 2 million viewers for that.
But it'll get it in front of
But
you.
it helps, right? It helps us when people search gift tax and things like that. So we really appreciate it when you do that. Very nice. And also, Larry, comments too? If you have any comments or questions,
Yeah, that's the best place to do it, is right in the comments under the video.
There you go. Okay,
We'll
is that it
definitely
then?
answer them. That's it.
All right. Well, hey, thanks again for watching, and have a good one.
Bye now.